how to improve the quality of prospect that dumps on our sales calls. The way that we could do this initially is if we want to increase the sheer number of volume of sales calls that we do have, we want to have email reminders, such as the business day before the meeting, we send them an email saying, hey, by the way, here's the meeting time, here's the meeting date. And by the way, if you do want to learn a little bit more about us, here's some resources that you could learn more about us on. You could share educational videos, you could share case studies, thought leadership posts, if you do have any. And then you can also reword that post 2 hours before the meeting, just to let them know that they have access to those resources prior to chatting with the sales rep. The value of this is if we share these resources, the best thing that could happen is a prospect disqualifies themselves. Because if we have in the PS line something that says, hey, by the way, if you go through the content and this is not a fit for you, feel free to cancel the meeting. We are posturing ourselves in a way that we're saying, hey, by the way, we're not begging for your business. If you don't want to meet, feel free to just cancel the meeting here, or you could reschedule to a later time in the future. This helps us make sure that we are talking to qualified prospects that are educated, that want to move forward, and we're giving people an outlet to casually say, hey, do you know what isn't a fit after they learn more about us? On the sales side of things, we are eliminating having bloated calendars from meeting prospects that will ultimately be disqualified or unqualified.